Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Friday 11th of March. Yep, so what is going to happen to SLP? Now, yesterday we were talking about this one, and so far it's mirroring Bitcoin at this point of time. We do know that, and I'm expecting SLP to do something like this that happened here. Okay, so what you did here with this wicks is what I'm expecting again, to have a wick down here through these levels and then quickly go back and return back to this area and potentially start to move to the upside, which is not a bad thing. But right now at the moment, there's still no loss of support. I'm not saying you haven't lost support, but let's say you do start to roll down because of Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is looking, then in my opinion you're gonna have those wicks to the downside, like to the 164, or maybe back to this trend line, which is the 155, and it wouldn't be bad. It wouldn't be bad at all. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. If you but the thing is that you don't really want to, like, come down and you close below this line. That's gonna be an issue. That's gonna be an issue. Okay, so what I'm gonna say, if you're looking for the entry, so far we've been trading SLP when it was down here. Okay, we were buying at the support level down there. We bought support level down here. Right now, nonetheless, this is a support right here, and this is an entry point, by the way. This is an entry point. But by the look of Bitcoin, again, you also have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. Now, on the Discord, I announced that Bitcoin has this bearish rectangle on the 4-hour time frame, which can take you down to $35,800. So let's say Bitcoin does go down there, then you're not gonna find the SLP to hold it on its own. It's actually gonna follow Bitcoin footsteps and actually make a wick potentially and go up. Now, just because I'm saying it's gonna be a wick, it doesn't mean it will be a wick. Anything can happen. You can still remain here and again start to lose those lines and go even way more down. Anything can happen. Okay, but the thing is, SLP still has maintained its own structure. Just because it's gonna go down here and go back up, I think it's still maintaining the structure. Okay, let's say you do go down to the 151, you're still touching the trend line, you're still above the trend line, and that's exactly what is good only. And then from here maybe go back up and shoot all the way to the upside, because in my opinion that could just be stop loss hunting, take people's stop losses away, and then you go to the moon. Who knows? Okay, because by the end of the day you're not losing this yellow line, which has been a big resistance for a very 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 long time. Okay, you are still above it nonetheless, and that just means one thing, that it's actually trying to reverse to the upside, but you just need that space. And the big red candle you're gonna get, the big greener candles you're gonna get, by the way. So that's really really important to actually get. Now, I don't know, many people are saying that there's news about SLP coming in. I don't know if there's like origin being released. A lot of you guys do say a lot of stuff, and sometimes I don't know. I'm not a fundamental analyst. I just like to actually observe the charts more than reading the news. I'm more like visual kind of analyzer, and you guys are more like on the audio part. You want to listen to the news, then you want to watch the newspaper, I guess. The fundamentals, that's really good as well, but I don't know, I'm just gonna stick to the charts. And if you guys are interested in learning trading, you can click the link on the description. It's 29 bucks until 19th of March, and it's gonna be $49 later after some few days. So guys, look at what you're about to learn. You look at a lot of things, so many things right here is there for you, like how setting up the charts, thrust and reaction, stop loss, what is an uptrend, downtrend, Bitcoin DXY, Bitcoin dominance, Vanguard and their relation, Elliott wave theories, ABC's correction, chart patterns, indicators, bottom reversal, candlestick reading, supply and demand, time frame, all of this. And one of the good thing is bear and bull market. Some people say when the bull market is going to end, when the bear market is going to end. We're going to talk about this one in details. Okay, and what are different market phases. Okay, divergence of volume, channels, accumulation, money management, how much money should you be putting and investing in your thing. So all of this, not only that, you're learning trading psychology. Okay, Like, what's the beginner's mistakes you could be doing? Experienced traders, what do they do? Living as a trader, by the way, if you're married or if you have kids. So many things out there in this course. Anyway, that's it for that promotion. And join the Discord, take the course if you like to. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.